Good morning. We're doing a test here and hopefully our audio isn't vibrating. I don't know what was vibrating the other day. Of course, I only realized it today because I'm a little bit behind. And some of you may have noticed we've upped the video schedule, so now you're only 2 days behind. So I skipped a day as far as doing video and we just put the next day's video. Anyway, so yeah, we fixed it so that you're only 2 days. Before it was 3. We're gonna try to do it quicker so it's like next day type deal, but I don't know if that's gonna work. So anyway, 6:30 in the morning, we're on our way to work. This is actually late for what it will normally be. Normally I should be there already and actually leaving to go to my first stop. But we're helping another driver out today to get to know his run. He was having a hard time. And I know the area. His run is, I won't say the exact same area as mine. It's in that general vicinity, and I know that area completely. So, I won't say I know it completely, but I know it for the most part. So, we're gonna head over there, meet him out at the yard on Albion for 7 o'clock. His run only starts at 7 though. It's like, you're not actually going to do a run today. We're just doing a run through, a dry run. So you can get an idea. When I was looking at his schedule, frig man, he's only got to do a check-in at the yard to start his pre-trip at 7 o'clock. And his run is so easy. Found out yesterday too, mine's one of the biggest runs. I mean, it's not the biggest or whatever, but it's one of the biggest. I'm going to, tomorrow, we're going to be doing a official dry run where we have to show up at the actual times. I want everyone showing up at their run times and doing their full runs. So it means I got to go in the morning. I got to do my first school at the normal time to make sure everything goes good. And then I got to go do the second school, and then I got to get to go home. Unless they have something for me to do like they did yesterday, which I didn't catch on camera. My bad. Well, not that I can, but ended up playing spare driver yesterday. Other than fixing my run and the screw-ups in it. Which hopefully we'll have an answer back from the school board soon as to whether we're keeping the one stop in it or not. That's throwing a wrench into the run. Became a real easy solution, but as a lot of you guys know, and gals, I won't say management because it's not the company I'm working for. It's actually the school board. It's the one that has to make the decisions. So, as to what to do, they're the customer. So, anyway, we're on our way out there. Actually, we're running a couple minutes late, but there's shouldn't be any traffic whatsoever that's going to interfere with us. There'll be a little bit right here, and that should be about it. I was going to go completely cross country and I thought, nah, let's just go this way. I'm kind of surprised, 6:38 in the morning, there's quite a few cars on the road here already. Although my time for leaving will be at probably at about 5:45, 10 to 6 in the morning is when I'll be leaving. So more than likely 5:45. It's going to be my leave time to leave the house.